First time I came out here, these 3 guys were here. They also had 4 seagulls. That's when I left my camera at home. So, come back and seagulls have left. So what I'll just do is I'll just carefully sprinkle some of this right on the ground. Oh man. So what happened was, yesterday is me thinking, God, it's warm enough, I can go out without gloves. Today, wonderful, pretty new gloves, aren't they lovely? Got the dusty end of the suet. Oh, the guys are behind me. I just dropped some here without making a big show of it. Uh-oh. So the other comedy is, let's confuse the subtitles with peanuts. Uh-oh. God, that's a big handful. These new gloves on. Oh, I love it when he gets new gloves. He just chucks so many peanuts at us. And I've got ham. But I want to do ham with pretty gloves. Oh, look at that. How many is that? Put my minging glove on because I don't want to get my new one dirty. Have I got anything better to give them? Man, it's all crackers. I can give them crackers. What do you think? Sorry for that terrible noise. It might be if I bowl them a whole one. Let's. Should we throw it like a boomerang? Oh, that was rubbish. Have a drink. What about a frisbee? Oh! Better, better. Are we going to see a crow go for a whole cracker? Go on. Backhander. Is that backhander? I'm not a frisbee expert. Let's try it on that way. Ooh. The crow will go for a whole cracker. Let's divvy some up so that these guys get some. Oh, I need them against the sky. There we go. Oh, that's worth some more crackers, really. Oh. I'll move away from the trees. We decoy them a bit, and then what we can do is stand out in a circle and get the halo thing. No, that way, more that way. More in front. There you go. There you go. See that? Come on. Oh, this is as much fun as you can have with crackers. Unless you're shooting them with an air rifle. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Halo. All the way around. Yes! Oh, look at that. That was some drama I wasn't expecting. Oh, am I pointing you at that? Sorry. Go on, let's give the... Oh, see, you got a whole one? Don't fly into the wind with that. Oh, oh! What's really cool is when it says laughter, brackets, on the subtitles. That was cool. But now I've got... see if I give him a sausage. Oh, I'm using my pretty gloves to pick up sausages. Oh. I was just gonna... Oh. Give that to the crow. Go on then. We'll put some in the pile for the seagulls. There you go, lads. Let's back up and see some more crows. Count them, because they're not the same guys that we see over there, which is nuts. See you in a second.